So in step 7 we have to check whether design is safe or not. So checking the design against safety. So for this you have to calculate P effective by CA CM PT plus PD. Now here we need to calculate PD. Okay, so PD is equal to, for spur gear PD is given as 21V in bracket CEB plus PT max divided by 21V plus under root CEB plus PT max. Okay, so this is a formula of PD dynamic load. Okay. So here dynamic load, here V is nothing but pitch line velocity. Okay, CEB, everything we need to calculate here. So we will go one by one. So first V is equal to, we have calculated V in terms of module. So if you put the value of module here into 6, you will get exact value of V as 9.048 meter per second. Then PT is nothing but tangential force. So tangential force we are having in terms of module 13262.6 divided by module. Okay, so if you put here the value of module divided by 6, so you will get 2210.43 Newton. Okay, tangential force. Then you need to go for the PT max. Okay, so PT max is nothing but maximum tangential force. Okay, so it is CA CM PT. So here CA is 1.5, CM is 1.4 and PT is 2210.43. So your PT max will be 4641.9 Newton. Okay. After getting this PT max, now next is you have to calculate pitch errors small e. So small e is nothing but pitch error. So according to the IT grade, we are having different formulas of pitch error. I have already shared you all the formulas. Okay, so for IT grade 7, so this is the formula of pitch error. IT grade 7, E is equal to 11 plus 0.9 module plus 0.25 under root D. Okay, so this is a formula of pitch error. Then you have to calculate pitch error of pinion and as well as pitch error of gear. So to calculate pitch error of pinion, your formula will be 0.25 into under root dp. Here you have to put dp. Okay, so whenever you are calculating ep, here you have to put dp. Okay, module is 6 mm and dp is already we have calculated as 120 mm. So if you substitute here values, you will get ep as 18.86 micrometers. Okay, similarly eg 11 plus 0.9 in bracket m plus 0.25 under root dg. Okay, so if you again put here dg and m, so you will get eg as 20.22 microns or micrometers. Okay, then your total pitch error sum of pitch error will be E is equal to ep plus eg. So is equal to 39.08 micrometer, and you have to convert this micrometer into mm. So multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 mm. Okay, so once you got a pitch error, then after that you can put here in the equation of dynamic load. Then after that you have to go for C. Okay, so capital C is for steel gear and steel pinion. It is given as 11,500. So for steel pinion and steel gear, C is given as 11,500. Okay, so if you substitute all these values in the formula of PD, so you will get PD. So PD is equal to 21V CEB plus PT max divided by 21V plus under root CEB plus PT max. Now all these values we have to substitute. So your PD will become, now 21 is 21, V is 9.048, C is 11,500, small e just we have calculated, 39.08 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now B is 72. B is 72 plus PT max. PT max just we have calculated as 4641.9. Okay, bracket close, divided by again 21 into 9.048 plus under root. CEB, C is 11500, E is 39.08 into 10 raised to minus 3, B is 72 plus PT max 4641.9. Okay, now after calculation you will get PD. PD is equal to 18383.47 Newton. Okay, then after that you have to calculate P effective. P effective is equal to CA CM PT plus PD. Now here CA CM PT is nothing but PT max, so you can call it as PT max plus PD. So your P effective will be PT max plus PD is equal to 23025.37 Newton. Okay. After getting P effective, now you have to check whether your design is safe or unsafe. Okay. So safety condition, your next step 8 will be safety condition. So here safety condition will be the strength should be greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. Okay, so your strength is SW because your wear strength is smaller, so your SW should be greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. Now your SW we need to calculate first because SW we are having in terms of module. Okay, so SW first we will calculate. So SW we are having 664.09 module square. Okay. So if you put here the value of module 664.09 into module square means 6 square. So you will get here SW as 23907.24 Newton. Then you have to check whether this condition is satisfying or not. So if you substitute here SW 23907.24 should be greater than or equal to 1.35 into P effective 23025.37. So should be greater than or equal to so if you multiply here you will get 31084.25. okay, and here 23907.24. now here this condition is not satisfying. Okay, so as the condition is not satisfying, our design is unsafe. Okay.